Hey friends, welcome back on this channel and welcome back for another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing video with you guys. So I will do a haul and unboxing with you. So it's been a while since I didn't do this kind of video here on this channel, and I'm so excited to share with you what I got and what we are going to unbox today. But anyway, I am already dressed up because we're going out, me and Jed. We are already, we're going for work, and I just want to do this haul very quickly because all my the things that I'm going to share with you or show with you guys are already like a week or 2 weeks already here in our bedroom, and it's still unboxed and they are still on their boxes. So I just want to do this very quickly. So yeah, but anyway, today I will be doing a shoe unboxing with you. So if you're interested to know what I got, then keep on watching. But before anything else, guys, if you are not yet subscribed on our channel, make sure that you are subscribed by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So let's do that. So here at my back are the shoes that I'm going to unbox. So I have here 3 pairs of shoes, and first I'm going to unbox is the one that I got from Tory Burch. So this is how the box looks like. It's like a pink, and it is their signature, I think, like that. But anyway, it looks like that, and inside you will see some of these, like plastic and all this paper stuff. And what I got from there is it's like a sneakers and an espadrille at the same time. So I got this one. This is an espadrille and a sneaker at the same time. I don't know how it's called, but I'm going to put the names of all these shoes that I got in the description box so that you can check it out. But that's how it looks like, guys. And here you will see the Tory Burch brand, and then it's espadrille and sneakers at the same time, which is really nice. I got the yellow color. This is a combination of white and yellow. It's available in different colors, so they have like black and green and other colors, guys, but I got this one because this looks good on my feet. I first saw this one online, and on their store I said, oh, I really want to have that one, but I waited for like about 6 months, and this came out as with on sale. So I got this one with 50 or 40% discount, and that's a good deal. So it's a steal. So I got this one. Next pair of shoes that I got is from the brand Dkny, and I love these shoes as well, guys. So the box looks like that. It comes only in the black color and with their brand name here, and you'll see on the side part the size, and this is called the London wedge sneakers. It is again a sneakers, guys, and it comes with like this kind of papers inside, and it is in this plastic pack. Yeah, but it didn't come with a dust bag, but that's fine. So it looks like that. I also love it because it's a knitted material with the Dkny brand here, and it is wedge, which is really nice because I don't normally wear like heeled shoes because I don't know, I'm not used to it. But this one, though, it is with the heels, but it is wedge, so I can carry it. And I already wore this one when we went to the mall, but I advise that you do not wear it like when you are strolling in the mall because it is so bad. It's very painful. But if you will go like for an event or something with like an occasion, it's still okay, guys. But that's how it looks like. It is really nice. I love this branding here, which is really perfect. And then last but definitely not the least is from the brand Prada. And this one, actually, Jed gave this to me as his Valentine's gift, and so yeah, I'm so excited. This is my second branded pair of shoes because Jed got me the sneakers from Gucci, and this is the second one. So we got this one. So it's from Prada. The box looks like that. It has only like this Prada Milano brand on the box, and comes with a brown box, and inside it is so luxurious, because as compared with the two other shoes that I've showed you, it is really different. So that's how it looks like. And then, but it didn't come with a dust bag, which is still okay for me. But anyway, that's how it looks like. I got again an espadrille shoes, and this is just their classic espadrille. I actually chose the black one because I can pair it with anything, like any color of my dress and my clothes and my bag. So just a classic black espadrille, and that's how it looks like. It has this brand, not embossed, but it is like, I don't know how it's called, guys, but it's here. The brand is here in front, and then it's just a very low kind of espadrilles. It comes also in a higher or a platform espadrille, but I didn't get that one because it's not available in the store. But that's how it looks like, and that's how I love this one. So that's it, guys, for today's unboxing video. I hope that you like and enjoy this video. If you like this kind of videos, let me know by giving your comment down in the description box. Don't forget to like this video as well, so that I will know that you like this kind of videos. But anyway, that is it for today's video. Thank you again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you again next time. Don't forget to spread the joy to the world. Bye! Love you, guys!